Tyson, wait, what the fuck? Ah! My ball's on fire! Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me? Yo, did this kid just blow a whole gas station? What the fuck? Yo, should have been you for real. Yo, shut your dumb ass up, Tyson, bro. You fucking left me there at the house when I got my ass beat. Damn. Wait, hold on. Yo, it's Dennis. Hold on. I'm gonna beat his ass real quick. Hold on, watch me. Hold on. Come here. Shit, my wrist. Oh, I know you little dumbass did not just hit me. Yo, bro, you beat your ass right now. Oh! Shit, Devontae, come here, you bitch ass. I'm gonna pick you up right now. Hey, I'm gonna pick you up. Oh, yo, but nah, I got you. Who the fuck is that? Why you just sound like Big Oscar for a second? Sound you fucking.